This is Ruthie with the Purple Backyard Farm. Just want to give you a little update on my prayer Bibles. My prayer Bible's a little bit different than some of the prayer Bibles that are out there, and I love them all. You definitely got to check out the videos on the prayer Bibles. Now, I'm making traveling prayer Bibles, and I want to show you how mine work because they're a little different, I think, than the ones that you're going to see out there, which are great. It depends on what you're going to use them for. I have a different way I'm using my Bibles, so first of all, I write in the very beginning because I felt like the Lord told me to, which was right in the beginning how Jesus is coming soon. Now is the time to prayerfully consider starting a home Bible study to win your friends and family to Jesus Christ before the rapture. And then I tell them how to get started, which is basically invite your friends and family over for dinner or dinner rather, coffee and a Bible discussion, and put on a YouTube video by David Jeremiah, David Guzik, Jack Hibbs, Chuck Misler, and I have a little salvation track in here, which you can get this on Amazon. And then I tell them this is a traveling prayer Bible. Write all your requests and pray for all the requests that are in here and add your own using code names. And then when you're done, pass it to a friend. And then I wrote, P.S. Start making travel prayer Bibles, and you guys can do this too, to donate and give to others. The Bibles we leave will be a silent witness for those who miss the rapture. So, I have been, oh yeah, I wrote in here, uh, as a man thinks in his heart, divine appointment. That's my word for like 2025. Life and death are in the power of the mouth. What else did I write in here? I think I was thinking about writing it. Maybe I didn't. I'll show you. I think I did. About using your God-given imagination. Like when you're reading your Bible, like think about what you're writing, like almost like put yourself right in the scene to, like engage with what you're reading, okay? Like not that you're in the scene, but like imagine when Adam ate the apple, think in your mind, Adam's eating an apple, like picture the things you're reading. But what I'm doing is I'm just putting these little cute little pages in them, and I wrote pray for David and Rose for blessings. Like I put my prayer requests inside with, now this one I think I only have like 10 in. I was reading this Bible too because I love Bible reading, and this is a KJV. And I got it secondhand, so let me see if I can find another one. See, pray for Timothy. And then I have like the requests down here. And so I put like these cute little papers, which you can get those on Amazon as well. Get like lace paper. You can buy the stamp, the punch too, if you want to make your own. And so I just put them in here. Oh yeah, it only takes 18 hours to read the New Testament. And I tell people too, take the challenge. It only takes 2 hours and 15 minutes to read your entire Bible in a month. So just put down your cell phone and read the Bible, and you will get it done. This yearly stuff is baby stuff. You can read your Bible just like a regular book. Just divide it up. If it's 1,000 pages, read 100 a day, or 100. Make them into little 100-page books, whatever it is to read. And if you're not a reader, go just get the YouTube free Bible. There's free YouTube. Just put in your version and they can write that. So here's another prayer request. So I just did that. So then the next person, they can add papers to them. They can pray for all these requests. I can pass it on. I wrote, oh yeah, I love this. Soon you will hear what happened to all the missing people. Actually, I should write, soon some may hear what will happen to all the missing people. The answer, they've been raptured. And actually, I think it's Jimmy Evans has a book, What Happened to All the Missing People, which is good, and I read that and I liked it. Pass to friends or friend. And this one in the back. This is a really nice Bible. I wish I could find this on Amazon. Let me know if you have this Bible, but I got it secondhand, and it's so smooth and nice, and it's just really nice. But this is going to, when I come to a certain place, I just feel like move it on and get to the next Bible and pass it on. So this one's going to be given away to, I give Bibles away so that people can find them and they can, if the rapture happens, all my library and Bibles after I read them are gone. So anyway, I have read the King James a few times, so I read it, but I just stopped early on this one because I'm going to start with my next Bible. and, you know, make that into a prayer Bible. So, because I have a lot of Bibles to go through and I want them to get them out into the field. So, as I study, and this way the next person will have a little bit of idea. Oh, I can mark in my Bible. There's some prayer notes. They can do some different things in here as well. And gives them a few ideas. So, because the idea is to keep this moving and the next guy that will get it. And if somebody decides to keep it forever, that's fine too. So anyway, look how nice this is. This is really nice. It's the 1611 KJV. I think most of them are. I don't know. So anyway, let me know if you have this Bible. It's a leather. It must be leather. I don't think it said leather, did it? It didn't, but it's really nice. So it definitely is a nice leather. But anyway, we will see you in the next video, and God bless. And please do me a huge favor and share this video with a friend. Okay, I will see you in the next video. God bless.